Yeah.
Yeah, you came back and gave me the water.
I did.
I do. Yeah.
I told you.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I went to jail and got my life together ever since then.
How'd you go to jail? There's a narrative being pushed by people whose intention is to keep our country divided. The narrative that they're pushing is that police officers who work in the inner city view the citizens as the enemy and don't take time to understand them and their struggles. I'm here to tell you that is an absolute lie.
Yes, Rodney.
The video you're going to see today features a young man named Rodney. We've seen Rodney on the channel before. If you don't remember, here is a short clip.
Rodney! Rodney, can we have a conversation, please? Rodney, the last time I was out here, you were totally fine, man. What's going on? What's going on, man? Put the knife down, Rodney. Put it down.
So for today's video, an officer was driving down the street and saw Rodney standing on the side of the road by himself. The officer decided to take a moment of his day to stop and talk to Rodney, and I want to share that conversation with you now. With all that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. I will talk to you soon. You guys are fine. Come on, 558. Hi, let me call it. Rodney, how you doing, man? No kidding. I thought it was you. I'm not worried about your beer.
Going good.
You are?
Going to church.
You look good.
Thank you, man.
How you feeling?
I feel good.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
You're smiling. I like to see that.
Yes, sir.
I drove by the first time. I wasn't sure it was you.
Yeah, Rodney.
Good, man. You remember me, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
You're a good guy.
You are a good guy. What's been going on?
Nothing. Staying in the house.
You got a house? Oh, yeah. Is that your aunt or?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Is Sarah still staying with you?
I have not seen that girl, man, for almost 2 weeks, sir. Have you seen her?
I have not. I haven't seen either one of you guys.
I haven't seen her, man. I'm going to get my life right, man, instead of running the streets.
That's what you got to do, man. We had a long talk last time I talked to you about that kind of stuff.
Yes, sir.
That's good.
Yeah.
Dude, I feel so good.
Officer Zane? What's your name?
Yeah.
Yeah, you came back and gave me the water.
I did.
I do. Yeah.
I told you.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I went to jail and got my life together ever since then.
How'd you go to jail?
Oh, man, I was with Sarah and my brother. You know, my brother Massey's apartment.
Yeah.
Hang with him and drunk a beer and been stupid. I went into somebody's house with him and I guess the detective said that's they get you for burglary.
Okay.
So they got me for burglary for my first time and oh my God, man. It's an F1 and I did 50 days in jail. I'm glad I did get clean. And they let me out on recognizance. My lawyer said it's a weak case.
Okay.
But I told him, I'm kind of thank y'all for letting me. I needed some time off the streets.
Yeah. That's wild, though.
Yes.
So when was that?
I went in October 9th and got out October 21st.
So September 9th to October 21st?
Yep.
Wow, that explains why I haven't seen you.
Yep.
Well, maybe Sarah got herself in somewhere and she's got herself clean too.
No, and then when I get out of jail, Sarah take me to go stay on Wheatland and Broad, some apartments all the way in the back. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Well, it looked like a bunch of dope heads.
Really?
Yeah, on the 3rd floor.
Really?
Some dude named Cornelius in a wheelchair. You know what I'm talking about?
I know the building. I don't know this Cornelius guy.
3rd floor at 301, apartment 301. I said to me, no, I'm not staying here. So that was like my second night out. Then we're gonna get in parking and shut the door. And no, I'm not about to sleep outside, man. Y'all told her you need to go in the shelter and shit. She can't do it.
You can't do it?
She can't, man. She got a drug problem.
Well, you guys both kind of do.
I had to leave her alone, man, for a while, and I haven't seen her now.
That's crazy.
It's been for almost 2 weeks though.
Really? Well, you know what? That's probably better for your health.
I think so.
Yeah, until she gets clean.
Yeah.
Because normally when we're all hanging out, you're the one that's acting out and being crazy. And I've told her,
Yeah.
you need to get away from him and get yourself straight, and then you can take care of Rodney.
Yeah.
She was using you as an excuse to use drugs.
And pushing him.
Yeah. So like,
in that wheelchair.
I mean, you guys, I know you love each other.
I love her, man, but I would see her stop using it too, man.
Yeah, well, like you
And
can't
it'd
be
a better
around.
relationship.
You can't be around each other when you're doing that stuff.
No, I haven't seen her, man.
That's crazy. I wonder where she is then. She's probably still up in that apartment.
It is. People say she was staying on Wayne in a house, in a garage. I don't know where that's at.
That was old. She hasn't been there for a while.
So you know what I'm talking about then?
Yeah.
No, is that true?
She was, but she's not staying there now.
There's a bunch of other
Now it's all boarded up.
A couple people.
Yeah.
So people were like, they had electricity or it went in their house.
Unless it changed. But like I know she was, well, unless they got back in or something, but there was a garage down there that they were staying in.
It's a house?
There's a house and then a garage in the alley.
Where is that
But they got evicted. I don't know the address. It's south of Sullivan somewhere.
I stay on South Terrace.
I know where you stay. You stay right there on the corner.
Yeah, so where's this house at?
I don't know, somewhere on Wayne.
On Wayne?
Yeah. Like 600 numbers of South Wayne, I think.
I heard there's been people going in there.
Really?
Yeah.
I'll have to go down and swing by and keep an eye out. I'll holler at her if I can.
While I was in jail, she was taking with people like a bunch of methods and she was.
I believe it. That's what she does.
And there's a truck named Jess. Her name is Jess and Sebastian. And they drive like an orange or oranges pickup truck with clothes in the back.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh.
We're hanging with them.
I'll keep an eye out. Yeah, I always look for you guys. And I haven't seen you for a little while, so
wow, man.
It's good to see you like this, man.
Yeah, I feel good, man.
Like last time I thought you were looking good, but now you're real straight.
Yeah.
I can tell.
Yeah.
I can see it in your eyes. I didn't think it was you.
Yes, sir.
Like when I rolled by, I was like, no, that's not him. And I was like, some guy's gonna think I'm being an idiot because I'm gonna roll up and say Rodney. And then I drove by again. I was like, that's him. So that's why I parked.
Yes, sir.
I was like, I'm gonna park and come up and say hi.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, man. Have you eaten today?
Yeah, no. After my aunt told me to go to church today and get the word. And then when she gets off at 2, I'll make some meatloaf for them. We're gonna make meatloaf.
Oh, you're gonna make some food? Okay, good. What time does church start?
11 o'clock. What time is it?
10 till.
Okay, I got time.
All right, man. Yeah, I was gonna take you to get some food, but I think church is probably more important right now.
Man, that's a blessing, man.
Yeah. I mean, if you want to, I can take you to get some food.
No, I'm cool, man.
Okay, good.
I'm cool. Thank you, man.
That's awesome. So you're not.
Yeah, says everything.
Okay.
Yeah,
I will...
all officers come.
Yeah, I know you. I've known you from when I was on nights, and I remember now it's when I come to days. It's nice seeing you again.
Yes, sir.
And seeing you where you are right now, I like to see it, man.
Man.